Hello everyone and welcome back again to On How channel. My name is Anas and I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment as well as messages on my Instagram, and if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video I will show you how to show discounts on products page on Shopify. In one of my previous videos I did show how to create or set up discounts codes on Shopify and when you should use some of them and when you should not use some of them, as well as the options when you should create a discount code with restrictions and base it only on some type of customers, and when you should use the other options. And actually the best video about discounts, which is the one I created about reviews, and not just any reviews with the pictures. And when a customer submits a review with a picture and actually just a review with text on it, they will be asked, hey, just upload a picture of the product that you did buy from us and you can get 50% or 20% off your next order. And that's really good. And the discount code will be created automatically. You don't have to keep track of reviews from customers with pictures and go to discounts and create the discount for them. They will be created automatically with random code and they will be shown to them after they submit the picture. And reviews with pictures is not like reviews with text on them. They are really good as a social proof and they can raise your conversion rate. And if you are interested in that video, make sure to check out my channel. You will really like it. But as I said, for this video is how to show discounts on products page on Shopify. Pricing discounts are really important because you get to show the customer the old price of it and the new price, so he can see the changes or the things or the money actually he will save by buying right now with the new price. And actually you should do that even if you don't offer a discount. Even if you don't offer a discount, you should use that and just do the discount at lower price than the price that you are selling right now, and it should be like you are offering a discount and you are not actually. And that's really good for increasing conversion rate, as I said. So in this video I will show you how to show discounts on products page on Shopify without using any apps or anything like that. And I will show you how to do that for both products with no variance on them and products with variance. And this is not complicated for products with variance like other videos I saw. It's really simple and easy. So first let me show you how to do that for a product without variance on it, and next I will show you how to do that for products with variance. And you can show actually a separate discount for each variant of the same product, obviously. For example, a white t-shirt will have a different discount than a black t-shirt, and you can choose if you want to create a different discounts for each variant or the same for all of them. So without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, I'm accessing Shopify dashboard. So the first thing, as I said, I will access a product from my products and I will show you how to create discounts for it. Then we will go for a product with variance. So let's just access the products page from here. Actually, let's just open up my store first and we will access the product on both Shopify store and from the editor, so we can see the changes and so on. And this is just a test Shopify store. This is not a working Shopify store. So let's just open up a product from here. Let's just go for this bracelet, for example, and let's just check it doesn't have any variance. Yes, it doesn't have any variance. As you can see, this is the only variance of it. So let's just access this particular product on Shopify store, which is this one right here. This is the one. This is the product. So the pricing is $40 and the same here, $40. And to show the discount, it's really easy. All you need to do is type in a higher pricing in here. For example, it's pricing right now, it's priced actually right now as $40. Let's just type in here $55 and let's just click on save button right here. And after it will save it, let's just get back to the product and reload the page. Here, so I had to reload the page several times because sometimes it did take like a minute or two to be shown on the product page. So keep that in mind. You need to refresh the page or actually just open up the product page on a browser, incognito browser or a private mode browser, and it will show you the changes. However, if you are using the regular browser, make sure to refresh the page several times and it will be shown. As you can see, we did type in here $55 and the selling price is $40, and it does show us here, as you can see, $50 is grossed, which is the old price, and the new price is only $40, and it say here it's sold, which is like a discounted product. And as I said, this is for a single variant product. Let's just head over to our products and we will go for a product that has a lot of variants, and I will show you how to do that for products with a lot of variants. So let's just head back to our products in here. this one, I think, from AliExpress. I did import this product from AliExpress. By the way, if you are interested in how to import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store, make sure to check out my channel. I did make that video as well, imported with the description, pictures, and everything else. So let's just scroll down. For example, this one has a lot of variants, as you can see. So as I said, we will create, or you can create a different discount price for each variant of the product. And let's just do that right now. But first, let me do the same as the first product. Let me access the product from my Shopify store from here, which is this one right here. So this is the variants, as you can see. They are a lot in here. So each one will have, as you can see, all the same price, $64. And we need to create a discount, a different discount for each product. So let's just get back in here. So to do that, all you need to do is click on the edit button right here, and after that it will take you to this page and it will show you the other variants. You don't have, as I said, you don't have to do this for each one separately, getting back to the product page and clicking on other variants and so on, because I did saw some videos showing that will take you a lot of time. So the first one, which is the white variants, which is the by default the first one. Yes, this is by default the first one. By the way, actually, if you want to see how to import reviews from AliExpress directly to your Shopify store, make sure to check out my channel, because I did show that as well. And this is actually 5 reviews from AliExpress imported directly to the Shopify store with pictures on them. And let's just scroll down to show you that. Here they are, as you can see, with pictures on them. They were all imported from AliExpress directly. So let's just scroll up and let's just stay on the first variant, which is white. So in here, the selling price is $64, and compare price, let's just type in, for example, $80. So $80 is the old price and the new price is $64. And let's just click on save and let's just get back in here. We are on the white. And the same as the previous one. I think I need to refresh the page several times. No, I don't. This time it was only from the first go. As you can see, the old price is $80 and the new price is $64. And this is for the white variants. For example, the pink, it will not show that. The pink will only show the old price, or the just regular price, which is $64. And let's just do that for the pink as well as the other white and purple and so on. By just clicking on the pink from here for the variant, you don't have to get back to the product page. Just from here, and it will show you the pricing for this. And let's just type in, for example, 80, just like the first one. Let's just go for white and stay. I need to save. I forgot to save the page. And let's just go for the other whites, and let's just do 90 for the other white. And let's just click save. And the purple, let's just do actually 100. So the purple costs more because it's purple, right? So let's just type in here 100 and click on save. And let's just get back right now to the product page and see if it's that working or not. So let's just reload. Here we go. Again, I had to reload the page several times this time. I don't know why. Maybe my team, because I'm just using the regular by default team, because as I said, this is just a testing Shopify store, not a regular store that I'm working with or something like that. So that's why I think, anyway. So I had to reload the page several times, and here we go. For the purple right here, as you can see, it says the regular price we did enter in here, which is $100, and the selling price is $64. And it does show us here $100 is crossed, which is the old price, and the discounted price, the new price, is $64 and on sale. And this is only for the purple variants. And you can do this for all the variants in here. As you can see, you can, for example, the pink one, you can create a discount price right here different than the other ones, and they will be all shown like this for each variant. And as I said, if you are interested on how to create the reviews with pictures on them, that will offer customers a discount code wherever they create a review with pictures on them. That's really good. And as I said, they will be created automatically. You don't have to keep track of the reviews with pictures and go to the discount section and create discount for each customer. That will be created automatically. You just have to lie down and watch the magic happens. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comments as well as messages on my Instagram. And if you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.